In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Storebuild.ai to automatically generate SEO optimized product pages without spending hours copywriting or hiring a content team. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley Robots, and if your product pages are feeling kind of empty or generic, you're missing a huge opportunity. SEO traffic is one of the most overlooked growth channels for e-commerce, and this tool makes it ridiculously easy to tap into it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how Storebuild.ai works, how to use it to scale up your product content, and how to set it all up in just a few minutes. So first off, what is Storebuild.ai? It's an AI-powered tool that automatically creates high-converting SEO-optimized product pages for your e-commerce store. It pulls your product data like title, image, category, and keywords and generates full landing pages with headlines, descriptions, structured content, and even metadata. Instead of writing page after page by hand, you just select your products and let the tool build the content for you. Optimized for both search engines and buyers. This is especially helpful if you're running a large store, drop shipping a lot of SKUs, or simply want to boost organic traffic without spending money on ads. So why SEO product pages matter? Every product page is a chance to rank on Google, but most e-commerce stores rely on default descriptions or copy-paste info from suppliers, and that just doesn't cut it anymore. Search engines want unique, valuable content, and so do shoppers. Pages that answer real questions, highlight features, and match search intent are more likely to rank, get clicks, and convert. When you build SEO into your product pages from the start, you can attract free traffic, improve conversion rates, and give your store a long-term growth engine. That's where Storebuild.ai comes in. It automates the process so you can scale faster and smarter. Okay, so how to actually get started? What you want to do first is go ahead and use our exclusive link in the description below. Once you are here, this is where we're going to create our Shopify store, and it's going to take less than 5 minutes. You can go ahead and pick your niche. If you need inspiration, you can click there too. If you want to do clothing, home, sports, pets, whatever it may be. Let's go ahead and say we need some inspiration. From here, we'll type in our name and email address. Do that, and then you'll add in your phone number, and then we'll click claim my store. From here, we'll pick a color. From here, we'll pick a banner. Now AI is building the store, so we just have to wait a few moments. Now we'll click claim my store. Now what we need to do is create a free Shopify account. So you'll enter in that same email address. You'll create a password. Again, you want to make sure you're signing up with the same email on Shopify as Storebuild.ai. We'll create our Shopify account. So now it'll say, where would you like to sell? We'll honestly just skip this for now since we are creating it with Storebuild.ai. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and copy and paste this URL, and we will go ahead and paste it right here and click save. We'll click next. Now we'll add winning products. So we need to install Zendrop. Click install. Now we'll need to select a Shopify plan. So today we're on the free trial, and then in 3 days it will be $1 for 3 months, and then it goes up to $39 per month. So just to enter in your first and last name, your credit card number, etc. So now you can add your business information or save it for later. Now we'll verify Shopify plan. Now we will just need to approve Zendrop. We can go back and say I've approved it. Now we'll go ahead and go live. Now we'll just click next. Now our store is ready to go. So this is where you can come in here and customize it. But as you can see, we've already got products in here. We've got the website completely created, and that took less than 5 minutes. Now that you understand exactly how to do that, let's kind of go through some of the key features of Storebuild.ai. So at the core of Storebuild.ai is advanced AI writing engine built specifically for e-commerce. It doesn't just rewrite your product title, it builds full-length, high-quality landing pages that include keyword-rich product descriptions, headlines, benefit callouts, and even FAQ sections. The tone is customizable, so you can make your brand sound more casual, professional, or persuasive, depending on your audience. And best of all, the content is unique for each product. No duplicate text or generic fluff. Bulk generations for large catalogs. If you're managing dozens or even hundreds of SKUs, writing pages manually is just not realistic. Storebuild lets you select multiple products at once and generate SEO content in bulk. So instead of spending weeks writing, you can have it all done in an afternoon. This is especially useful for dropshipping stores, print on demand, or any business scaling fast. Smart keyword integration. Storebuild doesn't just randomly drop in keywords, it actually understands where to place them for natural, readable, and SEO value. You can input your own target keywords or let the AI recommend them based on product type and category trends. The result is clean, keyword-rich content that doesn't sound robotic or forced. Pre-formatted SEO-friendly landing pages. Each page includes proper header tags, H1, H2, etc., paragraph spacing, and lists, which makes the content easier to skim, especially on mobile. You'll also get built-in meta titles, meta descriptions, and structured data that helps your product pages get indexed and ranked faster on Google. Modular, editable templates. Storebuild gives you full control over the layout and structure of your pages. If you want a quick intro followed by features or a deep dive into materials and use cases, you can enable or disable different modules like FAQs, comparison tables, customer benefits, and even brand stories. It's drag and drop, simple, so you don't need to touch code. Auto-publish to Shopify or WooCommerce. Storebuild also includes built-in performance tracking so you can see how your new SEO pages are doing. You'll get insights into impressions, clicks, bounce rate, and on-page time, all within the dashboard. It's not just a writing tool, it's part of your growth strategy. So Storebuild.ai itself is actually free, but you will need to sign up for a Shopify account. So they do have a bunch of different options here, but like I said, you can get a free trial and then it's $1 for the first 3 months. So I'm going to go over the yearly plans because this is how you can save 25% off. So they've got the basic plan, which is just $29 per month, billed yearly. As you can see, the card rates are here, and some of the standout features are up to 77% discount on shipping, 10 inventory locations, 24/7 chat support, and in-person selling by phone or POS device. Then they have the growth plan, and this is $79 per month, billed yearly. Again, you can see the card rates right here, but some of the standout features are even more of a discount on shipping and 5 additional staff accounts. Now for the advanced plan, which is $299 a month, billed yearly. Again, the card rates do decrease and you can see them right here. And some of the standout features are everything that's in the grow plan, but you also get enhanced 24/7 chat support, local storefronts by market, and 15 additional staff accounts. Lastly is the plus plan, and this is for more complex businesses. And this starts at $2,300 a month. And this is on a 3-year term. The card rates are competitive, but some of the standout features are similar to the advanced plan, but they have 200 inventory locations, local storefronts, priority 24/7 support, unlimited staff accounts, fully customizable high volume checkout, and up to 200 POS pro locations, and sell wholesale B2B. So again, you can start for free and then $1 for the first 3 months on every plan except the plus plan. But again, even just starting with the basic plan, and then you can just allow it to grow with you. So should you use Storebuild.ai? If your store has more than a few products and you're not already getting steady SEO traffic, Storebuild.ai is absolutely worth trying. It lets you rank for more keywords, build better product pages, and grow your store's visibility with way less effort. You don't need to be a copywriter and you don't need to know SEO inside and out. The tool does 90% of the heavy lifting. If you want to check them out, make sure you use our exclusive link in the description below. I know that creating a website and product pages can feel like a chore, especially if you're trying to scale fast. But SEO is one of the most powerful ways to grow your store long-term without relying on ads or influencer shoutouts every week. Storebuild.ai helps you get there faster, and honestly, it's one of the most useful tools for e-commerce growth. That wraps up this video. This channel is dedicated to helping e-commerce sellers grow smarter through tools, tutorials, and automation strategies that actually work. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.